All right, let's go inside.
Hello and welcome to our home. We have a 2020 Grand Design Reflection 31MB. So I'm going to spend a few minutes here and show you around our home. Starting with the living space here. We have a large living space with large pantry. Nice comfortable couch that has massaging seats, also heated seats. Definitely something that we use every night. We also have this area here. When we bought it, there was a booth here that we took out, and I was able to find these this countertop table and shelves, which is much more functional for our family, for our two girls. We also homeschool, so it gives them access to everything they need right on the shelf there. It all stays on there while we travel, and then we lower the table down and tip the stools over while we're traveling, so that has not been an issue at all. But that's the one big thing that we did change after we bought this trailer. We have obviously the island here, nice big counter space for prepare food. We have that fireplace, TV, and honestly everything that you will ever need in a living space is going to be right here. The next thing I'm going to show you is the bunk room with a 31MB. The MB stands for mid bunk, and that's something that we were definitely looking for in a trailer. The mid bunk here provides enough room for both of our girls to be able to bring their toys out, spread them out on the floor, and not drag them out throughout the rest of the trailer. Gives them enough room to close the door here and just have room for themselves to watch a movie. And now we are going to head up to the bathroom and the bedroom up front. So here we have the bathroom with a large shower. There's plenty of room, plenty of storage in here, which we love. Back here we have our bedroom, a nice queen bed, and we also have our wardrobe over here with hanging space, a few drawers, and then we have the storage above the bed and on each side of the bed. So that provides plenty of room for us. And we'll head back down here. One of the things I really like about Grand Design is that they have thought things through with their layouts. There's pocket doors, which is definitely a plus. That's something that we did not see in a lot of other RV companies, was the pocket doors. Also, if you take a look at the heater vents, they place those nicely on the sides of cupboards, not in the middle of the floor where they can collect dirt and all of those things. So that's definitely a main reason why we chose Grand Design, is because they really thought things through and it's a really good quality. I think that's it for our home tour. I hope you enjoyed it.